Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show how to use custom domain in Helpira. Let's get started. Go to the sidebar and click on the Help Desk. You can manage the Help Desk from here. You can see Help Desk name, the Help Desk URL, the status, and the last logged in. And we also have options here to download backup, import backup, active and deactivate or delete. If you want to delete your help desk, just click on the Delete button. To create a new help desk, click on the Add Help Desk button. Next, enter your help desk name. For example, my help desk name would be Supports. Then upload the help desk logo. Select the file and click on the Open button. Then select your time zone. You can add your custom domain name here. If you leave this field blank, the default helpdesk subdomain will be used. After adding your custom domain, you'll need to add a name record in your hosting account. You can refer to the name record screenshots provided here for guidance. After that, click on the Add Helpdesk button. Now we can see that our new helpdesk has been successfully created. You can now visit the helpdesk using your custom domain. Your helpdesk's URL will be the custom domain you added to your helpdesk. Here, I have opened the help desk using my custom domain. That's how easy it is to use custom domain in Helpira. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.